Tired of wrestling with Excel files in your Basecamp projects? Let's get straight to the point. Can you directly upload an Excel file that's XLS or XLSX into Basecamp? The short answer is yes. Basecamp supports file uploads of all kinds, including spreadsheets. To upload your Excel file, navigate to the Files and Docs section within your Basecamp project. Click the Upload File button. This will open your computer's File Explorer. Locate your Excel file, select it, and click Open. Basecamp will then upload your file. Now, here's the key. Basecamp treats uploaded Excel files as static documents. You can view and download them, but you can't directly edit them within Basecamp. Think of it as sharing a finished report. For collaborative editing, consider using Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel Online. You can then share a link to the live, editable spreadsheet in a Basecamp message or document. Simply copy the shareable link from your online spreadsheet and paste it into a Basecamp message. This allows your team to access and edit the document directly. Another option is to create charts or graphs from your Excel data. Save them as images and upload those images to Basecamp for a visual representation of your data. That's it. Now you know how to best integrate Excel files into your Basecamp workflow. Use these tips to keep your team informed and collaborating effectively.